Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Double Time Arm Jive. Now obviously you need to know how to do an arm jive already, link in the description below, but there's not a lot else you're going to need to know. This is actually one of those moves I would use to teach people about changing timing, and there's lots of ways you could change the timing in a Double Time Arm Jive, because all it is you're going from single timing to double time, so you're speeding up. But we're going to speed up with a rhythm. You could speed up and just keep going, and there are good musical reasons for that in some songs. So all we're going to do is one double time rhythm, and we're going to double time for triples. So it's going to look like this. It's going to go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's break it down. It goes semicircle back, 2 hands. We come in and pull left, normal arm jive. We pull right, normal arm jive. We're going to do 3 more pulls, but we're going to do them twice as fast. So we're going to go left, right, left. Obviously you're not going to be able to do the stepping in and out footwork. You're just going to have to work with a twist when you do that. And again, we're then going to do another 3 quick ones. We're going to go right, left, right. Third triple is going to be the good one, because we're going to go left, right, shoulder. So we're doing the prep off the end of that fast one, which means you should find you have just a little bit more pizzazz into the turn and face, return and back. If we talk numbers from the other side, so you get the other view, that means we go back to 2 hands. 1, in and pull left. 2, pulling right. 3, then we do our triple. 4 and 5. Next triple. 6 and 7. Next triple. 8 and shoulder on 1. We go round 2, facing 3, returning 4 and back 5. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, double time arm jive. It's offer. We go a slow, a quick, 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 a quick, 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 a quick, quick shoulder, turn, face, return and back. Hope you've enjoyed that. And obviously when you do things like that, try and pick something in the music to use, so you're connecting up to an extra layer of the music, as it were. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation is something interesting to practice that too on the end. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.